guys, it's me, Kuwait Tyrone, after we went to the park, and tonight, we're gonna be doing this unboxing challenge. And guys, guess what? It is a virtual reality headset, as you can see, and I'm going to be testing it out today. Okay, so let's just go for the scissors to. Okay, there you go. Thank you. And here it is. It's virtual reality. Okay, so as you can see, all I need to do is to how do I take it? Okay, now. So guys, I'm trying to see what I can do to try to take the case off my phone. It's ready, but I don't know what I should do. So since you're gonna do this, let me look at the instruction. It says remove the pure headset from the packaging. Remove the cell phone holder by sliding it to the right. If it's a smartphone, you can grab the choice of apps such as YouTube. Once you find your content, click on your smartphone and insert cell phone holder back to your headset. Adjust the length of the clips. But I don't know how I put it in. Let me do this. Let me just want you to do it. So guys, before we started this video, we downloaded the app, so that you guys won't have to wait too long. And now we've actually found out how to do VR now. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so guys, now I found what we should do, and now I'll be sliding in this thing out. And so let me see it. Oh, the plastic is over this. Okay, so as I can see, there's variety. Whoa. Good work. Where's what going on? Okay, so guys, I figured it out now. And I'm just getting ready to eat, okay? So now I'll be putting it into my VR thing. And now I'll be watching the video. And now, yeah, here's it going. What's going on? Yeah. So guys, in the video, no, actually the type of video that I'm doing is like, it's actually on a roller coaster on top of the sea in New York, and you know, it's kind of weird because it just makes me feel like I'm falling and all this stuff. Yeah, so guys, I'm just thanking you guys for watching this video. That you also support, subscribe, like, and share to this video. Share this video. Okay guys.